Hi, I'm Alexandra Kokoreva, a UX researcher at Markswebb. We provide UX benchmarking, audits, and product advisory backed by real user flows and global best practices. Let's move on with our exploration of UX problem classification. In this video, let's talk about instances when a service demands data that are unclear or hard to obtain. This is the essence of subclass 5.2, part of a broader set of issues where users don't understand what the service wants from them. Let's break down what this subclass is about. It includes situations where the interface asks the user to enter data that is either unclear in meaning or difficult to retrieve at the moment, given the context of the task. Data may be considered unclear not only when its meaning is ambiguous, but also when it seems unnecessary for the task at hand. These problems most often occur during tasks like booking, checkout, and form filling, where the process is already underway. This distinguishes 5.2 from 1.4, where the absence of data prevents the user from starting the task at all. To illustrate this, let's have a look at the ticket booking service resurrectionfest.es. Imagine that a person from Germany is buying a ticket for a concert taking place in Spain. At the checkout stage, they need to fill in their personal information, and all fields are mandatory. The user sees the DNI field, but they don't know what DNI is. In fact, DNI is the Spanish national ID card issued to Spanish citizens only. As an international visitor, the user has no way to complete this field. This results in a critical breakdown in the purchasing flow. The service becomes inaccessible to a significant portion of its audience. In contrast, in the travel insurance service named IMG, the personal details form adapts based on user input. For example, when user selects the United States as their country of residence, an additional state field appears. If the user changes their residence to Canada, this field is removed. This adaptive behavior ensures that users are only asked for information relevant to them. It reduces confusion and makes the form feel responsive. So, how can digital services avoid confusing users with irrelevant information requests? First, only request data that is essential for the task at hand and explain why it is required. Second, phrase labels and prompts in plain, specific language that clarifies meaning and use. Third, where possible, allow users to skip or defer non-critical fields and complete them later. And last but not least, provide help text or inline explanations for data that might not be self-explanatory. Thank you for watching the Markswebb channel, and stay tuned for more tips on how to create better user experiences.